Fire powers combine. All in one bite. Alright, Nanobabaw Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako yung Louis Season. As you can see, kayong table damo kaya kay Bim, Ijan, at saka kay Daryl ne. At yung kami po kayo ng Marquee Mall, Angeles City, particularly Samgyupsalamat. So magpasalamat kami po kayong Samgyupsalamat for inviting us for the second time.
Yung first branch day na kayo kay San Fernando, then ining second branch daw.
So bayo pong buklat ini just like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
I think 2 weeks ago bayo may buklat. And oita po ne, lawin niyo yung table damo. It's gonna be Samgyupsal day. So abayan niyo kami po. Tap me bro. Anak na. So notice guys, kayong table min there are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 kinds of meat, pork at saka beef. Kini ing request da din kay eat all you can ini. So you can order as much as you can Pero yung request na mo ning management is you order 2 meats at a time. Bakit ta ela pumasayang, ela masira makanyan. And ito mag-umpisa na lang.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ito guys, so habang magluto lang, let's talk about the price. In-explain kayo rin ni kayo ang previous vlog ko. You can watch our previous vlog for the San Fernando branch, Kening Lingkaini. But anyway, I will still discuss kayo nung nanularetang prices na kayo nila. So for unlimited one, ayan, between 10 a.m. hanggang 3 p.m., 399 pesos siya ito. Between 3 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m., 449 pesos siya ito. For unlimited 2 naman guys, between 10 a.m. hanggang 3 p.m., 449 pesos. Between 3 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m., 499 pesos naman ito. Unlimited 1, pork lang ang dito. For unlimited 2, pork and beef na laman. Okay. Dano pa na ako. So aside from unlimited beef and side dishes, unlimited lang mo naman din cheese kenny ang po yung gravy. Potato marble, sweet kamuti, inilaban no 10 carrots, bulong sibuyas itang mayumo. Nila naman palang potato fries, kimchi, sangkatuta ka sibuyas. Siyempre, tingin mo naman japchae. Aos na ka pala kanini odeng, lalaset sa kanani. Iba't nila naman bejang soup. Siyempre, alam mo, wala kin din kahit steam egg. Wow, pali na. Kibat karet ang mangutang rice, unlimited lang mo naman rice kenny. Siyempre, bawasan mo na kasi mas manyaman ng meat. Takabalan dakala salamat po kayong pamalbe kayong kaya kaming vlog. Magpasalamat kami mo naman kayong Samgyupsalamat Marquee for inviting us again, second time. So Samgyupsalamat is open from 11 a.m. up until 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday. So reta pong mumunta na lampas na kay mall hours. Idala na tamo po isitang ketang nanong side
Gulot.
dito.
Gulot.
Wait, kitang side keta, open niya po hanggang 12 midnight. So, longer hour for us to enjoy. And aliyo naman po kakalingon, natin lang may pang branch kay San Fernando. So, kaya taga San Fernando, mas masangting ka rin tana mo. Ne, bata mong kay Emi Palao, tsaka tana makiabe kay traffic. But guys, dakala salamat po kay pamanood till our next discovery. Mangan kami pa po. Peace out, bye!
Fire powers combine.